So I just got done cleaning my nagant. I just want to show you it's unloaded. This is a 32 ACP cylinder. I'm gonna do it, or I'm gonna cycle it in double action, see how it goes. Before I had 3 whole cylinders, fully loaded, go through, no problem. See, 1 round, 2 round, 3 round, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And 8 just for hex and giggles. Now in single action, 2, 3, 4. Oh, see, it got stuck there. Did you hear that little click? That means, because it didn't rotate, that this is too shallow, or it might be too catches it on it, and that's why it doesn't rotate. But yeah.